fellow cheese readers. My name is Cheese Boy, and here I am in the back of Burt Reynolds' truck. It's good to see y'all. I don't really have much to say other than I'm in the back of Burt Reynolds' truck. There's my son Calder. He's in Burt Reynolds' truck too. Over here we have some other people. They're also in Burt Reynolds' truck. And here we have Burt. How are you, Burt?
Good.
I love your movies, Burt.
They only play my movies in prison and on airplanes. That way people can't leave.
It's funny because it's true. Well, welcome to Cheese Readers. It's been fun. Look for me in my next publicity stunt. I don't know what it is yet, but it will be better than this one.